How do you qualify for head of household with dependents? Imagine being able to pay less in taxes because you qualify for a special filing status. That's what filing as head of household can do for you. But how do you actually qualify? Let's break it down. First, you need to be unmarried or considered unmarried at the end of the year. Being considered unmarried means you are legally married but lived apart from your spouse for the last 6 months of the year and meet other IRS rules. Next, you must pay more than half the cost of keeping up your home. This includes rent or mortgage, utilities, property taxes, insurance, and even food eaten at home. It's about showing you truly support your household financially. Then you need a qualifying person who lived with you for more than half the year. This could be your child, stepchild, foster child, or a descendant like a grandchild. It could also be a sibling, half-sibling, or step-sibling who depends on you. If you support your parent and pay more than half the cost of their main home, even if they live elsewhere, you can qualify. Other relatives like nieces, nephews, grandparents, or in-laws can also count if they lived with you most of the year and you claim them as dependents. You must be able to claim that person as a dependent on your tax return. There are some exceptions, like if a custodial parent releases the exemption to the non-custodial parent, but generally, you need to be the one claiming the dependent. Lastly, you need to be a U.S. citizen or resident for the entire year. For many Latino families, understanding these rules can help you get the most out of your tax return. If you are a single parent or supporting elderly parents, filing as head of household can give you a higher standard deduction and lower tax rates than filing as single. Keep good records of household expenses and where your dependents lived during the year. If you are separated or divorced, the parent with whom the child lived most of the year usually qualifies to file as head of household, even if the other parent claims the child for tax credits. Remember, meeting these requirements can make a big difference in your taxes and help you keep more of your hard-earned money.